There won't be a new episode of Gem Collectors with Shawn today, August 4th. But don't worry, your number one rock star and rock hound, Shawn, will be back next week with one of the greatest shows ever. Shawn's face is always to the ground. He mines it, cuts it, and creates some of the finest pieces of finished jewelry you'll ever see. And while he loves every rare mineral and precious stone, the only thing he loves more is you, his adoring peeps. We can't thank you enough for your unwavering support. Because of you, the Gem Collectors community continues to shine brighter than ever. Next week, he's bringing you some of the rarest specimens the Earth has to offer, a celebration of nature's beauty and the passion that connects us all. So stay grounded, stay curious, and always keep your eyes open for nature's bounty. Gem Collectors with Shawn, the best deals on rare earth minerals and specimen anywhere.